Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Rue LaLa. Let me try that one more time. A Rue LaLa Pandora haul unboxing, though I don't have a box kind of video. Yeah. No, I don't have a box. It came in an envelope, which I don't have the envelope with me, but I have everything here to show you guys. So let's get into what it is. I ordered a bracelet. As you guys know, I have a hard bangle bracelet, and I will get that and show it to you if I can find it up on my cluster of goodness here. Did you see my shirt? Coffee and online shopping. But here is my hard bangle bracelet with my thumper, and a lot of these come from Rue LaLa. The thumper came from Rue LaLa, and the two hearts came from Rue LaLa, and that was it for this bracelet. Everything else came from Pandora except for the two little spacers here beside thumper. These I already had, and they came from Kay's Jewelers, and they were from the Persona collection, but they no longer do those bracelets because I checked. I went in there the other day. They no longer do the bracelets. So I wanted something that was soft, so I got one of the leather bracelets that you double. And I think at the time, if you shop on Rue LaLa, everything's usually like 50 to 60% off, and this was a little over $20. I can't remember. I don't have the shipping invoice with me, but it was not crazy terrible. It was like $20-something, and it is a champagne leather with a sterling silver clasp that says Pandora. Now, I already had this pink bead, which was Rue LaLa, and I had the kitty cat bead, which I got from a pawn shop. So the heart, which has my birthstone, filigree heart, and it's April, and the Pandora coffee mug, coffee cup here, to go coffee. Those are new to my collection, and then I have these right here that are new, and these all came from Rue LaLa. So like I was saying, if you shop on Rue LaLa, you can get 2 beads or 2 charms for what you would normally pay, sometimes even better. I know on Pandora the other day they were doing select charms, buy one at 30%, 2 at 40%, and if you bought 3 or more they were 50%. And I know that birthstone heart was in there because I looked at the sale, see what they had. So I got 2 Muranos because I don't have any Muranos, and these, again, look how pretty. And I know my camera is not going to do them justice because my phone camera sucks. They're gorgeous. And this will probably be all I get until maybe Christmas, because I do want to start a Christmas bracelet. Possibly a cruise bracelet or a travel bracelet. I don't know yet. I may just incorporate a few travel charms into my main bracelet and switch it around. I don't know yet. But there's the 2 Muranos. And I'm going to open this one and take off the beads that I have. Oh yeah, I have to unscrew them. Darn. Let me see. I don't want them to go rolling everywhere, which is why I have the little foamy out of the one of the BoxyCharm boxes. So I don't want them to go rolling everywhere. And you just have to kind of watch Rue LaLa because they have Pandora sales all the time, and you may see it on there for like $16.99, and then the next sale is $26.99, and you're like, what the heck? Why is it so much now? That's just the way they do. You just gotta have to kind of watch it. So the next one I have is this one, and I know it has a name, but I don't know the name. I know it's got a lot of hearts on it, and I bought it to pair up to the tree right here. See how they're kind of the same shape? So it's going to probably take the place of this heart, and this heart may come off and go on this bracelet down here. So let's do that right now. Because that's the fun thing about these bracelets. You can just rearrange them, rework them. And now she's nice and balanced. Look at that. Okay, so there's that one. And the last charm I have is called, if you guys know me, I have a sweet tooth from hell. And I got, it's a little cupcake. And I don't know if you can see, it's got a little 14 karat gold detail on the top. And it is a little cupcake to go along with my coffee mug. So, I have 2 hearts, a kitty cat head, a pink bead, 2 Muranos, and a cupcake in a mug. Alright, so the pink bead needs to kind of go in the middle since it's an oddball. I could do 2 hearts. It's going to be offset. And see, this is where I get in trouble. And I think you need 1 more bead to make it even. So if I put a cupcake and a mug on each side of that. I'm trying to get it to lay here. Cupcake and mug. Murano, heart and heart. Then I have a kitty cat head left by itself. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the kitty cat head in the middle. Then 2 Muranos. And then the hearts. And I'm going to leave the pink bead at the end, because I might can get another pink bead on Rue LaLa. They've been on there several times. So pink bead, heart, Murano, I'm going to do the cupcake. And this might be pushing the amount of beads I can get on here. Cupcake, kitty cat head, coffee. Those are like 3 of my favorite things together. Cats, coffee, and cupcakes, so that makes sense. Murano. Then another heart. And that's done, because that's pushing the limit on what you can put on these bracelets. So I may have to actually take something off. But there she is. Look how cute. So there's the kitty cat, the cupcake, and the coffee. And if I get another pink bead, I can always put it over here. But I may have to break down and buy another bracelet, because that's really pushing the limits, because you're only supposed to do, I think, like 5, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll see how it does. It doesn't feel too bad heavy, but it's gonna pull. See what I'm saying? But that's what I have right now. But yeah, I'll keep playing with the layout on it. Those are super cute together. The kitty cat, the mug, and the cupcake. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that is it for this one. So there are my 2 bracelets now. As always, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for commenting, subscribing, and liking on the videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one.